And an example of a bigger step would be giving students a higher platform so that they can get to know the proceedings of the outside world, so as to know the cons and pros of the outside world so that they can live better. ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रेजेंटेशन स्कूल ने मुझे चांस दिया अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए रिसेंटली IIMUN में एंड डिबेट्स में.
If we write on the board Na plus Cl is equal to NaCl, this will not affect us like wow, what happened like that.
As a student of this generation, I believe not everybody wants to become doctor, pilot or engineer. Some wants to become Virat Kohli or Bruce Lee. So our education system should provide us a chance to play as sports increase our talent, boost our confidence. As of my experience, I have participated yesterday in Asmita Khelo India competition wherein I achieved gold. And rather than this, I have participated in wushu competitions, I have participated in arm wrestling competitions and acquired a position. So I feel everybody should get a chance to play in sports and showcase their talent.
It has been almost 1 year of me in Oxford Presentation School, and as per my experience and observation, I find myself the most lucky one to be part of Oxford Presentation School, because since the beginning of the year, Oxford has been continuously organizing events, and despite of being a new student, I participated in every program that took place in Oxford Presentation School. And while coming to the academics, Oxford doesn't only promote those students who are good in academics, but also cares about the talent each student possesses.
When we talk about modern education and shifting in education system, the first thing that comes to my mind is Oxford Presentation School. Our school focuses on exposure, extracurricular activities, modern education, the ability to showcase our talent and the ability to fight our fears. Recently, we had an event in Oxford Presentation School, namely IIMUN. So, what is IIMUN? India's international movement to unite nations is a youth-run organization which allows students of group age from 12 to 19 to participate in this event. The event mainly focused on the functioning of the UN and Parliament. In the UN, we had the UNHRC, in which students discussed about how the UNHRC works. And in Parliament, we had Lok Sabha. And in the Lok Sabha, students spoke about how they represent their states. We had other committees such as IPL, photography and videography. Moreover, the event mainly focused on how students should speak and how it focuses on leadership skills and diplomacy. Moreover, I would like to thank my school for letting us participate, for giving us the opportunity to participate in such an amazing event. And I personally think that students from all over Kashmir should have this opportunity to participate in such great events, because it will give them the exposure and it will give them the right and opportunity to speak on these topics and committees.
So before 3 years, when I came to Oxford Presentation School, I was an introvert person. जिसको क्वेश्चन से डर लगता था, was afraid of questions and public speaking. But then this school, Oxford Presentation School, in these classes I got an interactive environment, जिसकी वजह से मैं बोल पाई, जिसकी वजह से मैं क्वेश्चंस पूछ पाई, टीचर से इंटरेक्ट कर पाई और सबके सामने बोल पाई. ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रेजेंटेशन स्कूल ने मुझे चांस दिया अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए रिसेंटली IIMUN में एंड डिबेट्स में. लाइक डे बिफोर यस्टरडे हमारा एक डिबेट हुआ जिसमें मुझे रैंडमली उठाया गया और मैंने सबके सामने बोला, एंड इट वाज अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी, जो कि पहले एक इंट्रोवर्ट लड़की थी जिसको सबके सामने बोलना नहीं आता था, और अब उसने 150 स्टूडेंट्स के सामने अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट किया. टीचर्स दे एनकरेज्ड मी एंड दे वाज लाइक, ऐसा क्या है जो तुम में नहीं है जो बाकियों में है कि तुम नहीं बोल पाती. और फिर मैं आगे गई और बोल पाई, और जिसकी वजह से आज मैं आपके सामने बोल पाती हूँ. दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रेजेंटेशन स्कूल एंड आई एम प्राउड टू बी इन ऑक्सफोर्ड.
सो आज मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ मॉडर्न क्लासरूम्स के बारे में. तो पहले ज़माने के जो क्लासरूम्स थे वो इतने फ्रेंडली नहीं थे, इतने इंटरैक्टिव नहीं थे, स्टूडेंट्स अपने डाउट्स नहीं एक्सपीरियंस कर पाते थे. तो आज एक तालीमी इनकलाब, एक शिफ्ट हमें देखने को मिला है एक एजुकेशन सिस्टम में. जो आज के क्लासरूम्स हैं वो काफ़ी फ्रेंडली नेचर के होते हैं, हम डाउट्स क्लियर करवा सकते हैं और काफ़ी फोकस रहता है हमारे वोकल पर और स्पीकिंग कॉन्फिडेंस पर हमारा काफ़ी ज़्यादा फोकस रहता है. रेगुलर डिबेट्स, क्विजेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस वगैरह वगैरह होते रहते हैं हमारे क्लास में, जो कि हमारे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है.
Today's world, that traditional way of teaching has become an obsolete thing, and today we have to move on from that. We have to move on to practical way of learning. By this, a student can learn many things. Like it can make the student feel more interactive. It can make the student feel like he is learning new things. He can't be bored. And in today's world, that's more important and necessary. If we see in every subject like science, if we do it practically, we will understand more. For example, let's take an example. If we have a reaction between NaCl, if we write on the board Na plus Cl is equal to NaCl, this will not affect us like, wow, what happened, like that. If we see it by our eyes in the lab, like when we mix Na with Cl and how it react to and create NaCl, this is how practical learning works.
The need of the hour of schools and education institutes across the valley is for the schools to push students to such a great extent and put them in conditions where they're able to truly bring out their inner potential. This potential can come in the form of capabilities and abilities and traits that sometimes even the students themselves don't know they can possess. Now, what the school needs to do is take these capabilities and traits and truly enhance them to such a great extent wherein the student will be ready to face the outside world once the schooling is complete. The schools also need to teach the students how to get back up once they fall, not to never fall, because true strength does not lie in never falling, but in rising back up every time you fall. Now, if we talk of methods and techniques that can be inculcated in the new education system so as to make it better, we can focus on personality building, confidence enhancement, and communication skills. How can that be done? That can be done by learning to do, which, not to mention, is the focus of our school. We need to start learning and doing and taking small steps that eventually lead to bigger results in the long run. Let me give you an example. An example of a small step would be shifting a bit of the classroom environment to be a bit friendlier so that students can give their honest opinion and honest feedback to the teacher. And an example of a bigger step would be giving students a higher platform so that they can get to know the proceedings of the outside world, so as to know the cons and pros of the outside world so that they can live better in it.